Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Words. Today's recipe is Korean egg roll. It is a protein rich food. You can serve this as a breakfast or as a snack. Let's start the recipe. Add 5 eggs. Add half tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. Add 3 tablespoons of onions, 2 chopped green chilies, few curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of chopped carrot and 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. Mix well until it becomes fluffy. Now heat the pan and add oil. Pour the egg batter. Considering health benefits, I used iron tawa. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Roll it and keep one side of the pan. It's shown in the video. Add oil and pour the egg batter on the pan. Repeat the process as shown in the video. Add remaining batter and repeat the process. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. More breakfast recipes and snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Very tasty and delicious Korean egg roll is ready. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Cuisine Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.